guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the same style of like elements on Canva. So if you just go to the elements here and search for like whatever you want, I'm just going to search for pink, see all in graphics, and for instance this, but I want to find the same like style of like illustrations. Select the three dots and select view collection, and hopefully they'll have like a bunch of these like images and you can just add them on your canvas here. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. That it just it's just a helpful way, sorry, to like find other illustrations in the same style so it doesn't clash. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!